In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best keywords for your blog using Ubersuggest. This is a fantastic tool to help you optimize your content and attract more readers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Ubersuggest by visiting neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. This web-based SEO tool is designed to assist you in uncovering valuable keywords that can boost your blog's visibility. Once you've reached the website, you'll find yourself on the Ubersuggest dashboard. Now, let's get started by typing in your blog topic. This could be anything from travel tips to healthy recipes. Simply enter a broad topic related to your blog and hit the search button. This initial search will help you get an overview of potential keyword opportunities. Upon searching, you'll be directed to a page laden with keyword data. Here, you'll notice several key metrics. Pay close attention to the search volume, as this tells you how many people are searching for that particular keyword. You'll also want to observe the SEO difficulty, often abbreviated as SD, which indicates how challenging it might be to rank for that keyword. Ideally, you'll want to aim for keywords with a high search volume and low difficulty to maximize your potential for success. Next, you'll want to click on the Keyword Ideas tab. This section opens up a whole new world of possibilities. You'll discover an array of related keywords, questions that people commonly search for, such as how to plan a trip, and long-tail keywords, which are typically easier to rank for. These long-tail keywords are crucial because they often reflect more specific search intent, making them particularly valuable for attracting targeted traffic. Once you've gathered a list of potential keywords, it's time to analyze the top-ranking pages for those keywords. By clicking on a specific keyword, Ubersuggest allows you to see which pages are currently ranking in the top positions. Take a moment to examine the content of these top-ranking pages. Understanding what kind of content is doing well will enable you to create something even better or more detailed for your own blog. Finally, to maintain a well-organized content strategy, consider saving or exporting your selected keywords. Ubersuggest makes this simple with the Export to CSV option, allowing you to download your chosen keywords directly to your computer. Alternatively, you can jot them down in your content plan, ensuring that you have a structured approach to implementing these keywords into your blog posts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively harness the power of Ubersuggest to find the best keywords for your blog. With a bit of research and careful planning, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your content for search engines and increasing your blog's reach. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!